Hi boys, today we're going on to a new letter and it's the letter U. And U says oh, oh, oh. That's the sound it makes. Oh, oh for up, oh for umbrella. Oh, oh, up, oh, oh, umbrella. Okay, can you remember the sound that this letter makes? Ah, 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 ostrich, ah, on, ah, off. G. Water gurgles down the drain. G, g, g. G, g, goat. G, grass. G, green. D, d, dolphin. D, disco. D, dark. Marshmallows. McDonald's. Mommy. Meals. Munching. Do you remember the dog that rips the rag? Rip. Rag. Run. Red. Do you remember this sound, boys? Do you remember when you were hopping up and down and you were out of breath? Hop. Hare, hurry, hippo. Okay, can you remember this sound, boys? Egg, elephant, empty. Can you remember this sound, boys? Kangaroo, kite, kitchen. And another sound. Castanets, cup, can. You know our word that we can read? Can starts with k. Can you remember the sound this letter makes? Do you remember the airplane makes this noise? Noise. Nike. Nice. Naughty. Okay, boys, can you remember the sound this letter makes? We learned about an animal starting with P a few weeks ago. Penguin, pink, picture, pig. Can you remember the sound this letter makes? Ink, ink. In, and the sound tomato, tin. Tap, tissue. Acrobat, alligator, axe, ant. Snake, silver, sneaker. Now, boys, your activity today is to colour in the letter O and draw something that starts with O. It might be something up in the sky or umbrella. You might like to draw an umbrella with lots of colours. And then all you have to do is join the dots to write the letter O. Now boys, you start on the dot, you go down, up, down and flick. Start on the dot, go down, go back up, down and flick. Start on the dot, go down, up, down and flick, and that's the letter U. And the letter U says and think of umbrella. Up goes umbrellas. Okay, boys? Best of luck with that activity. Bye.